Alright guys, today we're working on step 20. Go ahead and insert the wingtip into the wing here, and we're going to drill these holes with a 3.2 millimeter drill. You got to kind of push the front end down and push the wingtip forward so you ensure a good fit before you drill holes. We'll go ahead and get those drilled. We'll pull it out. The next step is to countersink the holes, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, I just finished step 20. Got the wingtips fitted. Got a good nice snug fit on the front, and drilled holes and cleat it all the way back. It's a pretty good fit. This is the left side top. Let's go over and look at the right side. The right side's all done as well. Next step will be to pull it out and countersink all the holes. So we'll go ahead and get on that.
For real-time updates on the build, please follow me on Instagram, Brads_aviation_channel. Also follow my builder's blog at bradslingtsi.wordpress.com. Elevator assembly step 20 took 1 hour. Total time on the empennage 62 hours 45 minutes. Please like this video. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comments below. Subscribe and hit that bell so that you'll receive notifications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.